Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to discuss with you one real world scenario, the business problem in Tableau. Okay. Later I will try to solve this business problem using the LOD expression. Okay. So let's discuss with the what is the problem or what is the ask. So today we have this is the one of the interview question. You can consider that. So let's consider the interview question. Okay. So the interview want drag order date in the row shelf and make it this month and year. Again, drag the order date and this should be my the exact date and drag sales as well as. Okay. So the interviewer wants he or she wants the last day sales for each month. Okay. So the consider that we have January 2021, we have the sales till 3 of Jan till 31st Jan, but here he is interested to fetch the only the last day of sale. In that case, we have the 291 sales in the particular 2021 January. And if you scroll down in Feb, we have the 19 sales. And if you scroll down more, in March, we have 1960. So these are the sales in the last day of the sales. They want to the fetch dynamically. They wanted to show only the last day of sales for the each one. So how can we solve using the LOD? Okay. So I am giving you the hint. This could be the solver using the LOD, but interviewer might not give you the hint. So you need to understand how can we solve this kind of the business problem. Okay. So let's try to do that. So basically, this is very simple and straightforward. So first, let me show you date trunk. So I'm saying my month and my order day. So date trunk, it will give me the first day of the every month. Okay, let me exact date and make it a discrete. Okay, so if you see, we are getting one for everywhere. So they are extracting the first day of the each month. Okay, and what the interviewer want, they want the last day of the each month. So in case we are using fixed of this, and I want max of order date. Let's close this. So if you observe that we are able to fetch the last day. See, in January we have the 31, so you can see the 31st is appearing all the way. In Feb we have 27, so you can see 27. So we are able to fetch the last day. The next step, we wanted to show sales on these day only. Okay. So let me say my order date should be my calculation 3, then sales end. And I wrap this in if. So let me pull it the calculation for in the view. So if you observe the calculation show, we are able to fetch the sales on those days. So if you see the 31st, we have the 91 sales. So we are able to fetch the 91. And if you scroll down, so we have also the 19 sales on the Feb. So we are able to fetch this as well as. And same goes for the March, April, and May as well as. Okay. So the we are able to solve this question. So let's do that. I don't want the order date and even I don't want the month. Okay. And I don't want sales as well as. So the calculation three, like calculation three, this calculation we have extracted the last day of the each month and the calculation four which tells you the what is the sales of those days. So that's how you can solve this kind of the business problem or using the LOD expression. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.